it's me, Orejesu. You're welcome once again to my channel. This is a new episode of how to make surface pattern design using Microsoft Paint. I would like to apologize for taking much time to upload a new video. My absence is due to some personal reasons I'm not too comfortable to share. So please bear with me. So let's begin. The first thing as we usually do is to make a canvas 500 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. This is already 500 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. But if yours is not there, you go to resize, clicking on the pixel, untick maintain aspect ratio and put in the figure you want and click OK. Then the next thing is to go to the view, we tick the rulers, go back to home, and we'll go to the shapes. These are the shapes, and we click on the curve shape. This is my favorite shape. We go 100 horizontal and 250 vertical. We click on 500, we click on 100. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and we flip horizontally rather. We have to remember something. We have to tick the transparent selection. Mine is already ticked already. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and rotate 180. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, and rotate right 90. Then we start filling. We go to the filler and we start filling the shapes. We choose red color. I want to use another. Go for blue. Let me see, it's blue. And the next thing we're going to do is to open another page in Paint. We go to the resize. We make it 3000 pixel horizontal and 500 pixel vertical. We click OK. We reduce it. Okay. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and we Ctrl V. Since all the designs are the same, let's see what will happen if we flip horizontally. So the thing is now the same color. It's united. We Ctrl V. And we flip horizontally. We Ctrl V. Keep on pressing Ctrl V. We Ctrl V. And we flip horizontally. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and we increase the canvas to 1000 pixels. You can see it's 1000 pixels right here, and we Ctrl V. We want to make them of the same color, so the thing we're going to do is to rotate 180 degrees. Now it's of the same color on all sides. We Ctrl A, Ctrl C, and we increase the canvas to 2000 pixels, and we Ctrl V. So it is done. We reduce the canvas, I mean the and we increase it to 3000 pixels, and we control V again. So we are true, we can name it whatsoever we want. You can see how unique the color is. So thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like, share and give a thumbs up. Also kindly subscribe. See you on the next episode. Bye bye.